Hello everyone. So in the last video we talked about how to eliminate duplicate values from a data set. So in today's video we want to see how we can be able to create specialized array that can identify duplicate values in a data set. For instance, the second row and the third row, you can see that the values are duplicates. There are certain instances you can be working on very large data sets, having columns up to 20 to 30, and you cannot really, and the records of data are not arranged in this way for you to be able to identify duplicate values. Maybe the duplicate value can be spread apart from the original value or the original record. So in such instances, it is very important for you to generate a formula or to write a formula that can identify duplicate values. So for us to do that, we want to create a new we want to insert a new column here. Okay, and of course you know that if you check column, the first column, second, and then the third column, you see that that the record of data in those columns, okay, they are appearing the same. That gives you an idea that those records are duplicates. You must not really go through all the columns to identify duplicate values. So in order to do that, we'll use the if function, and then we include the and. Okay, so what is the logical text? So we want to say b2 is the same as b3. Okay, and then c2 is the same as c3, and then d2 same as d3. Okay, coming, let me. Okay, so after all of this, what should be the value if it is true? So if b2 is if the value in b2 is the same as b3, the value in c2 is same as c3, the value in d2 is same as d3, we want it to indicate duplicates. Okay, and then if not, we want it to indicate unique. Then we close, run. Okay, let's see the error that it gives to us. Okay, so I'll change this to equal sign, the assignment operator, equal sign, and then I'll run. Okay, so you can see that it is a duplicate. So if I double click the fill handle, you can see, so this is a duplicate value. Let's scroll down, let's see other duplicate values that we have. Okay, so we have just one duplicate value. So this is just for this small amount of data. So if you are working with large amount of data, this particular formula can be helpful for you to identify the values that are duplicate and the values that are unique. So also, you can see that this formula is quite long. Okay, in the sense that if we are to keep on writing it down to G, it can take quite a while. And when you are working on a very large number of columns, down to, let's say, Z, you are writing and then up to Z, that can be quite a while. So there is a shorter way of doing that. So the shorter way that we have is, let's say, you can say B2, okay, down to the last column here is G. Okay, so you have column G, so B2 down to G2. Okay, are you seeing that? Is equal to B3, okay, down to G3. Since we are trying to run the code B2, C2, D2, E2 down to G2, and then B3, C3, D3 down to G3, we are trying to run them in a kind of a parallel fashion. Okay, Excel will will run it, okay, as an array, and in doing that we'll click on Control Shift and enter. Can you see? So, and then you double click also. Can you see? So it has been able to identify that this is a duplicate, and also these are unique values. See you in the next video.